To make the Taurus Warrior, you need a printing paper. You can either use letter size or A4 paper. So first off, I will fold the paper in half. Then unfold the paper. Next, I start from this edge, I fold to the center crease. Same step for this side. And then start from this corner, for straight to this corner. And then repeat the same for the opposite side. We'll start from this corner, for straight to this corner. Then unfold the paper. Next step, I will push this edge to this edge and then push the whole paper out like this. Then fold to left, then fold to right, and then unfold this part, push this down. And the next step, I will fold this tip down, estimate about ½ inch, and just put it down like this. And now fold the paper in half this way. And now you can fold this side of the paper out to create the wings. I will match this edge to this edge. Same thing for this side. Unfold the paper. You can see this part right here. I will fold this corner straight to the center crease, or the body. Same thing for over here. Then unfold the paper. And here you go. This is the Taurus Warrior. Make sure that you curve the end of the wings up a bit to make sure that the plants will fly up, and this is an optional step. And take a look at this. Take a look at how it's fly. This paper airplane can fly in windy condition, so this is really fun to play with this. Make sure you hold the paper right here, do it at 40 to 55 degrees, and this will fly back very well. Finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.